Alright, we're looking at a 2019 GmC Acadia cabin air filter. Open up the glove box. Now we're going to need to lower the glove box door. First thing we're going to do is go over to this damper here. We need to disconnect that by pulling it this way. Okay, it just comes off its little hinge that's down there. Now we're going to push the glove box in and around these stoppers on both sides. So we're going to lower it. Down here, this is where the cabin filter is located. We're going to need to remove this Torx screw right here. It's a Torx T20, or you can just use a really small flathead screwdriver like I have here. Get it out. It's just going to be a little bit more difficult, take you a little bit longer, but it will work. Once you got that loose, you pull it right off. Now we're just going to push this tab in on this side here, and we can pull the door right off, and then we can pull our filter out. And check it out. Okay, so I'm gonna need to order this filter, and if you need to order one, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box that'll take you to Amazon, so check that out. When you get your new one, just reinstall this. Put the door back on over here. Should just click right on there. Okay, we'll put the screw back in. Okay, and then all you got to do is close the glove box, and then hook the damper back up. Okay, you're good to go. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe.